In this video, I'm going to show the DDJ 1000 inside of Record Box from Pioneer DJ, and I'm going to show how to use the slip mode. To engage slip mode, I have this button up on the top, and for this I'm going to take off my quantize. What slip mode does is if I do changes to the song or the performance, it'll play the track in the background, so when I stop doing whatever it is that I'm doing, it'll play through the track for me. So if I grab my jog wheel, it will stop the track, and you can see inside of Record Box, you can see that playback head was going through. So I can visually see when to drop and release. You can see that ghost playback head moving through. If I have that on A, then I can do cuts as well. Another way that I can use the slip mode is if the track is playing, I can push a hot cue button and revisit that portion while I'm pushing the button down. So I'm going to go back to that intro on the one. Here we go. And when I release this, it's going to go back to the original song. Trying to find you in everything you do, you in everything you I hold, you in everything I want, you in the world, you everything I touch, you in everything I feel. Even when the spit hits the snow, I see. I can also grab the entire deck and spin it back, and when it finishes, it'll be still playing in time. And I have my jog adjust, so I can change how long it's going to spin back for, so now it's very light. That was really lucky timing. But also, with slip on, it definitely helps. If I want to jump back in the track, I'll just turn slip off and then revisit that pad, and now it's playing back from the starting position. I also have slip reverse over here, so I can use that to censor. You'll notice I don't have the slip button engaged though to use this. I just push it how it is.